Namaskar, I JVN Rekha Sharma, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department Fashion and Interior from Jayoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. खुश रहो बेटियाओ. Today's our session name is Torso Foundation. So first we learn what is torso foundation. We have to know what is torso. The torso foundation is a bodice and skirt combination without a waistline seam. The foundation ends at hip level HBL. Length is added to or subtracted from the foundation as required by the design. The fit is controlled by sets of double-ended darts. The foundation is developed with shoulder darts or with side darts. Both are illustrated starting with the shoulder dart torso. The side dart torso is based on a traced copy of the shoulder dart torso. It has many purposes, one of which is marking contour guidelines. The torso is important as a base for other basic foundations, shirts, blouse, dartless knit tops, dresses and gowns without waistline seams, jackets, coats and activewear like bodysuits, leotards and swimwear also. So understanding the basic torso block and bodies block for women. The basic torso blocks and bodies block use identical measurement and are drafted using the same points, which essentially means they are pretty much identical. There is only one real difference, that the body stops at the waist and the torso extends to the hip and beyond, meaning the process for troubleshooting a bodies and torso are exactly the same. So here the basic torso is stops on the waist and basic body stops at the waist and the torso extends to the hip and beyond. This is the basic difference in torso and bodies. So from HPS, highest point of shoulder to the waistline, this is the bodies, and if we measure it from highest point of shoulder to the hip line, it is a torso. So here we can see that bodies and torso both in a diagram. What measurements are used to draft basic torso block? To understand how to spot and fix a broken or ill-fitting basic torso block, it is necessary to understand which measurements are used to draft the block and how each measurement affects the drafting process. Below is a diagram that aims to do just that. So we have studied. It will help us understanding which key areas are causing issues, allowing you to adjust specific measurement in the block, allowing you to redraft the pattern. So see, here is the pattern and the basic measurements which we required to make bodies block. First is neck. On the we can see here on the 1.1. Second point is shoulder. Third point is chest. Fourth point is SNP to bust apex. Fifth point is bust. Seventh point is bust span. 11 is number on 11 is arm side depth. Then number 12 back width. Number 13 waist. Number 14 front SNP to waist. Number 15 back SNP to waist, and 16 number hip, and 18 number waist to hip. So before we create a bodies, we have to measure, we have to check these measurements in our notebook. And what are the delicate measurements? Most of the body measurements are not overly delicate. You can get away with a lot of when it comes to making mistakes. It all depends on the length of the measurement. The longer the measurement, the more margin for error there is. The shorter the measurement, the less room for error. Bear this in mind when taking your measurements. Delicate measurements are a selection of measurements that have a drastic effect on the fit of a block. Even a slight amount of error in delicate measurements can break the block. Below there is a list of delicate measurements that will require special attention when measuring the body and drafting your basic torso block for very proper fittings. So here's the delicate measurements which we require to make a perfect body sloper. First is neck, second is shoulder, third point is, you can see here the third point is chest. You can see the point 11, the 11 point is arm side depth, and the 12 point is back width, 14 point is front SNP to waist, and 15 point is back SNP to waist. So before we start to make a body's block or a torso, we have to check measurements to make this torso. Hope you understand the importance of torso and the measurement, as well as if you have any query, please text me. I will define you in our live session. Thank you.